A lot of people are asking me, since AI is here, will CA job disappear? Will audit, taxation, finance can be done through machines? In this video, we will see, is it still worthy pursuing a chartered accountancy course where we need to give 3 important exams, study long hours and give multiple attempts? Before going ahead, let me introduce myself. I am CA Latika Lala with several years of corporate experience. Welcome to my channel. First, let me tell you how CA course is different from all other finance courses in India. CA gives you a wide range of career options such as audit, taxation, finance. You can choose whatever suits you. The best part about this course is that it gives you a real life experience while you are studying, that is articleship. Let's dig down what CA generally do. They do tax filing, they do GST filing. If they are in finance, they crunch the numbers, they analyze the number, or sometimes they give a recommendation of stocks. Let me share you one interesting UPSC interview video.
How are you feeling?
I'm well, sir. Thank you.
Sam, you are a chartered accountant. Tell me, if you go by technology, now we have the blockchain technology. We also have artificial intelligence. Why do we need chartered accountant at all? Unless, of course, we want dishonesty to continue.
So that is true that blockchain and blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, along with things like machine learning and automation, have actually given a lot of tools to the auditors to really make their job more efficient.
You may have seen the headlines which states that AI is here to replace your jobs. But in reality, AI is here to support you and not to replace your jobs. In fact, Big Four firms like PwC Deloitte has also reported that AI has reduced the workload of their employees so that they can focus on more complex tasks. They have also reported 25% saving in the cost and 40% jump in their productivity after using AI tools. So, AI is actually making your work efficient. Further, during my articleship, we used to go for a tax filing litigation where we use our experience, knowledge, opinion and views to justify our case. I feel these jobs cannot be replaced by AI. However, with the help of an AI tool, I can make my case more strong. You can see to move above and ladder at a CEO CFO position, along with a degree you needs a experience which holds a higher weightage, which I feel cannot be replaced by an AI. AI can only help you to make a more informed decision. For example, while doing an auditing, we used to vouch and verify each of the transaction. This mundane task can be automated with an AI. Even ICI knows how important is the AI. Hence, they have included AI in their syllabus. ICI also have a digital learning hub where they teaches the AI courses such as machine learning, analytics, etc. To conclude, AI is not going to replace a CA, but a CA who knows AI will replace those who don't. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel to watch more such insightful videos. Till then, bye bye.